In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync integrations in the GOG app in just a few simple steps. If you've connected services or accounts and want to make sure everything is up to date, this is the quickest way to refresh those integrations inside GOG. This tutorial is short, easy to follow, and perfect whether you're a beginner or just need a quick reminder. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the GOG app on your device. Once the app is open, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You should see a cog icon there, which is your settings menu. Click that cog icon to open the options panel. From here, you'll want to look for the Sync Integrations option. This is the feature that tells GOG to refresh and update your connected services. Click Sync Integrations, and the app will begin syncing everything automatically. Depending on how many integrations you have connected, it may take a few moments to finish. While it's syncing, it's a good idea to let the process complete without closing the app, so everything can update properly. Once the sync is done, your integrations should be refreshed and ready to use. That's all there is to it. You've now synced integrations in the GOG app in just a couple of clicks. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.